So now everything we have covered, tuberculosis, sensitive to TB drugs, now the khalnaik of TB, the drug resistant TB, I would say. The drugs are not easy to take in. I am saying I would hats off to the patients who are taking drug resistant TB medicines. कुछ साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स मैं बताना चाहूँगा, जैसे साइक्लोसेरिन से कभी कभी किसी को बहुत इरिटेबिलिटी हो जाती है, सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज हो जाती हैं. इफ़ यू हैव एनी दिस फीचर्स, मीट अ साइकेट्रिस्ट. Linezolid causes anemia, so you have to monitor CBC every monthly. You get peripheral neuropathy. पैरों में झंझनाहट, जलना, दुखना, ये सब चालू हो जाता है. If it's severe, you might have to decrease the dose of linezolid, or you might have to withhold the medicine. क्लोफाजमीन एक ड्रग ऐसा है जिससे आपका पूरा बॉडी का कलरेशन रेडिश ब्लैकिश थोड़ा हो जाता है. सो डोंट वरी, वंस यू स्टॉप दिस मेडिसिन इट विल कम बैक टू नॉर्मल. Quinolones, either you take levofloxacin or moxifloxacin, sometimes can give you joint pain, arthralgia, or tendon pain can occur. If it's severe tendonitis, then you might have to withhold the medicines. One more, the most important drug, that is bedaquiline, where you have to monitor ECG. क्यों बोलते हैं? पेशेंट को लगता है कि क्या डॉक्टर साहब रोज रोज ECG करते हैं. क्यों? Because sometimes bedaquiline causes prolonged QTs, and that can lead to a little arrhythmia, abnormality in the heartbeat. That is why we tell our patients to monitor the heart rate. When you are taking drug resistant TB, especially females जो pregnant हो सकते हैं, उनको ध्यान रखना है. They should avoid pregnancy. Better use a barrier contraceptive method so that to avoid pregnancy, because these drugs can harm your fetus, the growing baby inside your uterus. This is very important. Try to avoid drugs which can cause more gastritis. Try to take drugs some morning, afternoon, night, because it's very difficult to take all the drugs at one time. We have to be very careful with your dietary habits. If you take your treatment properly, trust me, you can cure drug resistant TB.